Shea Heights is a neighborhood situated in St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. It's located on the southern side of St. John's, overlooking the city and the Atlantic Ocean. Historically, Shea Heights was a predominantly Irish Catholic community, with its roots dating back to the early 19th century when Irish immigrants settled in the area, primarily attracted by opportunities in the fishing and mining industries. Over time, the neighborhood has evolved, but it still retains a strong sense of cultural identity and community spirit. The area offers panoramic views of St. John's Harbor and the city skyline, making it a desirable location for residents and visitors alike. In addition to its scenic vistas, Shea Heights is known for its vibrant community life, with various cultural events, festivals, and gatherings taking place throughout the year. Like many neighborhoods in Newfoundland and Labrador, Shea Heights has faced economic and social challenges, but community resilience and solidarity have played a significant role in overcoming these obstacles. Today, it continues to be a dynamic and diverse part of St. John's, with a mix of residential areas, parks, and local amenities serving its residents.